Hey everyone, it's the Doc Zone. In this video, I'm thrilled to share my top picks for mastering AI in 2024. And the best part is, all of these courses are completely free. That's right, you don't need to spend a dime to gain valuable knowledge and skills in this rapidly evolving field. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your expertise, these courses offer something for everyone. Let's dive into the top 8 free AI courses from leading institutions like Google, Harvard, and more. Google is at the forefront of AI innovation, and they offer a fantastic selection of free courses to get you started. From understanding the fundamentals of generative AI to exploring advanced concepts, these courses provide a comprehensive learning experience. Microsoft also offers a valuable free AI course that covers the basics and then delves into more specialized areas. It's a great option to gain a solid foundation and explore different applications of AI. Harvard University is renowned for its academic excellence, and their free Introduction to AI with Python course is no exception. This 7-week course provides a deep dive into the concepts and algorithms that drive AI. Prompt engineering is an essential skill in today's AI landscape. Vanderbilt University offers a free 6-module course specifically designed for beginners to learn the art of crafting effective prompts for ChatGPT. For developers looking to leverage ChatGPT's capabilities, OpenAI, in collaboration with Deep Learning AI, offers a specialized course taught by Isa Fulford and myself. This course provides practical insights and techniques for building powerful AI applications. LLMOps is an emerging field focused on managing and deploying large language models effectively. Google Cloud, in collaboration with Deep Learning AI, offers a brand new course taught by Erwin Huizenga, covering the essential aspects of LLMOps. The University of California, Davis offers a free course that explores the intersection of big data, AI, and ethics. It also introduces IBM's Watson, a powerful AI platform used in various industries. edX, a leading online learning platform, provides a free introductory course on prompt engineering that goes beyond the basics. You'll learn how to design effective prompts for different AI applications. I encourage you to take advantage of these free resources to enhance your AI skills and stay ahead in this rapidly evolving field. Remember, knowledge is power, and these courses provide a fantastic opportunity to expand your understanding of AI. Many of these courses are hosted on Coursera, and you can audit them for free by selecting the audit option when enrolling. This allows you to access the course materials without needing to pay. Create an account on these platforms to easily access the courses and track your progress. Happy learning!